this episode.
Today we're going to be in Lego Duplo House.
Okay, I've already packed the box. I'm ready to start building. Inside of the box, you will find an instruction booklet. Let's open it up. And we see different options here. And you can choose your favorite house. The big one, the biggest one, or the little ones. And the coolest figures. You can come up with so many funny situations while playing.
And look at Mommy. Isn't she adorable?
Yeah, and where is Daddy?
Yeah. And Daddy he's a master of an ice cream. And little one. Look, this little one, his name is Randy.
That's cool. Do they have a pet? I see on their photos that they
Dog.
have pet. Yeah, doggy, can you show him to me? What breed is he? I guess he is a pug.
I'll name him Honey.
Yes, Honey. Okay.
And look at this horse. And she's running fast.
Wow, she's pretty fast, I see.
Her name is Majesty.
That's great. Can you show her? Wow.
There are a lot of fun things in this house. The beach house.
Okay, I will show you how to build the house from the castle. There it is.
Let's follow the instructions. I'm specified
The number of the stage.
and the console the screen. Pause whatever you need. Let's start with stage 1. And we need 5 white bricks, 2 by 2.
Yeah.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's move forward.
Turn the page.
Step number 2.
Yes, and we need what? What do we need?
We need 3 right windows.
Okay, let's do this.
And don't forget, guys, to subscribe to our channel.
We have 3 window frames and 3 window blocks. Let's assemble them.
Let's make this massive window. First, we need to snap the window frame.
Show me, where is the frame? 2 what? 2 window block? Where is white window block? Show this to me. Okay, so we have to snap one to another.
Okay.
Show us how to do this.
You have to press really hard. Yes, one is done.
Hello.
Okay. Hi there. What are you doing?
I'm making something.
You're making something.
Can I window? Yeah, come in. Hi.
Hello, please come in. Welcome. I'm baking a cake here. Okay, let's make another one.
One, 2, 3. 3 windows done.
3 windows done. Okay, let's open step number 3 in the instruction book. There it is. And so what do we need to make here?
Bricks. Look, brick wall.
And how many bricks do we need?
Okay, we'll count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hill 5 bricks and hill 5 bricks. Because the height of the first one is the same.
Okay. And also we need another
Round brick floor.
Another floor, another base plate.
Do you know who's drawing here?
Oh, who is drawn here? Lamp. Arisha decorated. Yeah, Arisha decorated her bricks a little bit. Okay, so let's connect two base plates with a brick wall.
Oh, look, he's cute. Oh, this picture is cute. And build it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, and we are ready for step number 4. You want to show us what is inside? How it looks inside? Turn it around. Yeah.
Look, guys, in the white square is the finished section, and the blue square are the pieces that only fit us.
Okay.
Now let's get building right now the big house, so we can play a little bit. I've already made these windows. Look, I even decorated it with another circle.
Great.
Yeah.
And how many white bricks do we need?
4 bricks, 4 by 2.
Count dots.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And from another side?
1, 2. That's why I count the 4 by 2.
Okay, let's connect.
Let's attach them and count. 1, 2.
And the window frame.
Okay, this looks done. Now I turn the page. Of course, we need to make a pillow.
What is the height of
The
this
height of the
pillar?
same is 5. I all want to snap them together. Doesn't touch. Yeah. Step number 6. Another window.
Okay, let's make it.
Okay, let's make it.
We have 2 bricks, 4 by
Go right.
2, and another window frame. Snap it tightly. Yeah, and this step is done. Hi there. How it is going on the first floor? Is everything okay? Yeah, it's fine. Rotate it. Can you show me what is inside? Wow, it is white, and I see that nice stickers that you decided to choose. Okay, let's get building further. Turn the page. Step number
7.
7. Okay, and what do we need for this step?
Into my phone drawers, but one is lost.
No, I found it.
Guys, I need to make phone drawers. Look, I will show you how to assemble a drawer. Look, like this. What's here?
I guess candies and cookies.
Yeah, and some sweets.
I guess over there are sweets.
Yeah, sweets.
Okay, so let's attach. 1, 2, 3, and
4.
4. Okay, let's turn the page.
Step number 8.
Okay, so what do we need for this step? We need a towel.
We have here a picnic holder.
Different. Yeah, we have different. Which one do you want to pick? Can you show us? Arisha wants to pick red. Okay.
Okay.
She wants to pick red.
I'm going to make a little bit smaller. Okay, sink.
What do we need?
1 sink, 1 candle towel.
And there. Okay.
For step number 9.
What do we need?
Comes meatball drawing.
Meatball. Yeah.
Meatball. My recommendation to you. You can decorate your blocks with sticker.
How many blocks do we need for this stage?
8 blocks.
And start from the corner.
Count 1, 2, 3, count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh. Now stop.
Turn the page. Step number
10.
Great! What do we have to make? I guess we have to make an oven and refrigerator, yeah, in the next steps. This time, the refrigerator.
I decorated with this double cupcake.
Great! Okay.
It's yummy with strawberry.
Okay, so let's snap it to the base block. What color is the base block?
Blue.
Yeah. Yeah, you snapped it and refrigerator is done. And also in the step number 11 we have to make what?
An oven.
Can you show me the oven? This is an oven.
Look, oh no, a cupcake.
Yummy, 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 I know.
Yummy, yummy, I know. Yummy, yummy, I know.
Great.
Let's play this first one. Step number 12.
Something is going wrong, guys. I guess somebody needs a break soon, but not now. Let's finish kitchen. Say, let's finish kitchen.
Let's finish kitchen and let's drink tea.
Go at the table. Go.
I love my dad.
That's madness. No, that's madness. Okay, go finish.
I'm professional.
Sit down, professional.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we need for step number 12?
2 red bricks to buy 2.
And countertop.
And cookie.
Okay. What are you making?
Table.
A table, yeah. And what else do we need?
Stools. Of course.
Okay, I think that's enough. Let's have a tea party.
Mommy made the cake. Oh, mommy. The cake is ready. Do you want a piece of it? Take it. Okay.
They always teach my boxing house and fruit and bananas. Would you like to try banana? I love bananas. And also I love to eat blackberries, cherries, peaches, apricots, apples, mango. You want banana?
Банан. Банан.
Banana.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Kirisha, say bye.
Bye. Dad.
Молодец. Хорошо.
Goodbye, guys. Say bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video, guys. Bye.